process to fix 0x80d02017 error in Windows 10. Go to Start icon, then click on Settings, then click on Apps, then search here, Store, then click here and click on Advanced Options, then click on Reset, click here. After that, close this window. Then go to search bar and type cmd, right click here and run as administrator. Now type this command net stop wuauserv and hit enter. Then type net stop crypt svc and hit enter. Then type net stop bits and hit enter. Type net stop msi server. Then type renc:/windows/software distribution.old and hit enter. Type renc:/windows/system32/catron.old. Then type net start wuauserv and hit enter. Then type net start bits and hit enter. Then type net start msi server and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. Again go to search bar and type PowerShell. Right click here and run as administrator. Then type this command carefully, wuauclt.exe/update now and hit enter. Then finally type exit to close this. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.